guys, welcome back to my channel again. This is Zach here. I hope you guys been doing great, yeah? Okay, so today's video is basically I'm going to unbox the Corsair 1000D. Yeah, so today is just more of like share with you guys how it looks like, you know, and give you an overview of what is going to expect in the case, in the box, right, when you first receive it. By the way guys, this is like a super massive case. This is my first time building at such a big tower case, so I'm really excited to see what I can actually do with this case. Yeah, so without further ado guys, let's go right into it. Okay guys, so I think I found a way. So there's this tape here, where I think the only shortcut that you can have is remove here, so that you can take out the case like this. Let me just remove this. Very tricky. I'm just being careful not to destroy it. So let me just remove the other portion. So both sides are open. Okay. Guys, if you can have one more person to help you, that would be good. Don't be like me, I do alone. Okay, so whoa. Just need to remove the feet. Super heavy guys. Just have to be careful not to destroy the thing. Oh, finally. It's out. Ooh, super heavy guys. I've never opened up such a big case before. I don't even have room to move. Maybe a really bad idea to put it in my room. Okay guys, so finally I managed to remove the casing from the box. Very heavy. Okay, let me just take out the cloth. Super heavy. Highly advised not to. Oh, that's the. Highly advised not to do it alone. So let me just shape it. Even if just shifting alone, really very heavy. So you just need to prepare your back. Right. So this is the front. super huge case, guys. Okay, so at the front, you are being greeted with the accessories box. Okay, so here's the accessories box. Let me just show you. Okay, so here's the accessories box. Okay, so let me just show you what's inside. So they have a lot of zip ties. Let me just take it out first. So they have a bunch of zip ties, right? Then they have Velcro stripes. Okay. They have this Corsair cable, right? So let me just focus it. Right, so this is the one, Corsair cable. And I don't know what connector is this. It looks like a 3 holes connector wire. I don't know what is it. So if you know, let me know in the comment section below. Okay, you can see I'm really sweating a lot just by opening up this case. So they have fan cables as well. So let me just, okay, so fan cables. Yeah, so basically that's it. And of course a bunch of fan screws, right, just for your mounting purpose. Other than that, that's it. They have this, I think is to mount your GPU. I think is to replace if you want to do a vertical GPU, right? So you can change the GPU bracket there. Yeah, so that's it. And I think they give you a poster as well. Let me just. It's a really damn heavy case, guys. Now a bit regret. So they give you a Corsair poster, but I don't know whether am I going to use it. So yeah, that's it. I don't think there's anything else in the back. Right, so that's it for the casing. So what do you guys think? First impression, right? So I think it's very, very huge. I don't even know whether I got strength to carry it on my table, right? So if you guys are actually planning to get this case, just remember to get someone to help you. This case is really very heavy. Okay, so yeah, that's it for the unboxing. I just want to do a quick sharing with you guys on this casing, the Corsair 1000D. Right, if you have any questions, want to check about this case, let me know in the comment section below. I will do my best to answer you guys. Okay, bye, take care.